What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. So as we in the February we saw there a lot of number of smartphones which were being launched in February 2021, such as the Realme X7 series and the Poco M3. So today in this video we take a look at the smartphones which are confirmed to be launched in the March 2021 and they are going to launch very soon. So first of all, if you are new here, then hit that subscribe button, and if you have already done that, then give this video a thumbs up. So now that you have done that, let's get started. So the very first smartphone in our list is the Redmi Note 10 series. The phone is confirmed to be launched on the March 4th, and the lineup is expected to include 3 models which are going to be Redmi Note 10, Redmi Note 10 Pro and the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. The smartphones are expected to comprise of a punch hole camera with like a Mi 11 like camera module on the back. We have also taken a hands-on look of the phone, as you can see of the card above. The phone will headline with the Snapdragon chipset and also with the 120Hz display panel. The Pro Max is expected to get a 108 megapixel camera with IP52 dust and water resistance. The smartphone will feature a 5G connectivity and a 5000 plus mAh battery with a faster charging solutions. The next smartphone, which has been confirmed to launch in March, is the Realme GT. It is also known as the Realme Race in some areas, and it will be confirmed like will it be Realme GT or the Realme Race. The phone is all set to launch globally on March 4th with a flagship Snapdragon 888 SoC or to its core, and additionally it will have a 120Hz Super AMOLED display with a stainless steel VC cooling system. The phone will have a 64 megapixel triple camera system with a dual tone vegan leather on its back, as we have seen that on the Oppo Find X series. The Realme GT specification includes a 5000 mAh battery with a 65 watt or the 128 fast charging support to its. And also we will be seeing an 8GB plus 128GB of storage with 5G supports, as is the Snapdragon 888 with a Wi-Fi 6, and also the phone is expected to be teased at starting price of approximate 34,000 rupees, which will be the worthy competitor and set a bar for all the flagship smartphones. The next smartphone in our list is the Vivo S9. The phone will officially launch in China on March 3rd, and it's the upcoming S series offering from the brand, as it's focused on the design and the selfie camera. The phone is expected to feature a dual selfie camera with a 44 megapixel primary sensor in a bathtub notch like on the top. The S9 is also rumored to be the world's first smartphone with a MediaTek Dimensity 1100 chipset under the hood. The other specs which we can expect from the phone is a 6.5 inch of 90Hz Full HD Plus display with an AMOLED screen, and also a 4000 mAh battery with a 33 watt fast charging. The next smartphone is going to be the gaming killer phone, which will be the Asus ROG Phone 5. The phone is expected to launch on 10th of March, and it will be the successor to the ROG Phone 3 of the last year. The phone is most likely to be powered by the overclocked Snapdragon 888 coupled with a 16GB of RAM and maxes out to the 512GB of storage. The phone will also feature a 6.78 inch of AMOLED display with a whopping 144 refresh rate. The phone will feature a 6000 mAh battery with a 65 watt super fast charging and with a triple camera on its back with a primary sensor of 64 megapixel. The ROG Phone 5 will come with a dedicated button on the back to activate a gaming mode as per the rumors, and the phone is also be the Strix edition of the ROG Phone is going to come with a Snapdragon 870. Now going by the price of the phone is expected to come around of 45,000 to 50,000 mark in India. So let me know your thoughts on which smartphone launch are you waiting for this March, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.